In this video, you'll learn how to change your Google Business Profile email address in just a few minutes so you can update your account with your preferred contact information. First, open your browser and go to business.google.com. Sign in with the Google account currently linked to your business profile. Make sure you have admin access, since changing the email address requires owner-level permissions on the profile. Next, click on the Manage button next to your business listing. This will open your business profile dashboard, where you can update key business information like your name, address, phone number, hours, and email contact. Now, to change the email address that owns the business profile, you'll need to add a new manager or owner with the new email. Click on Users in the menu and add the new email address as an owner. After that, the new email account will receive an invitation. Sign into that account, accept the invitation, and you'll be added as an owner of the business profile, sharing access alongside the original email. Once the new email is confirmed as an owner, sign back into the original account, go to Users, and remove yourself as an owner. The new email will now have full ownership of your business profile, and that's it. Your Google Business Profile email address is now updated and your business stays connected.